sew with a 1 cm seam allowance, starting from where you
Okay.
lining, main and main.
Okay.
Sew with a 1 cm seam allowance until the point that you stopped sewing previously.
Okay.
Attaching this to this, we're going to flip this over. And then attach these two together. Then same thing, leave a 1 cm gap at the bottom. Okay, 1 cm and leave a 1 cm gap. Accurate, it's supposed to exactly match the previous stitch here. After that, you need to snip this. Yeah, snip the lining diagonally so that you can attach this lining here. Snip it diagonally so that you can flip this over and sew this all the way down and leaving a 1 cm gap as well. Once you're done, you're going to snip this downwards so that this whole panel can flip this downwards and you can sew these two together.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
You're taking the test today, is it?
No, we are doing the test in 2 weeks' time. But because next week I won't be coming for the revision, this one is the revision.
Okay.
Oh,
Eventually, later on, this
So
will
next
be
week,
folded
2 weeks' time is the
together.
test. It will be the same one.
Sew this down, leave a 1 cm gap so that we can flip the lining
Sure.
to the main and sew the hem down.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah. Okay, so now what we're doing is attaching lining to main. One on the left side and then one on the right. Can you see? Main to lining, main to lining. So we're going to focus on one side first. Currently now this is wrong sides facing. So what we're going to do is flip this over to have this right sides facing. You see now? These are two right sides facing. Just double check, make sure here is all pushed up. And then you're going to sew this down with a 1 cm seam allowance and leave a 1 cm gap at the bottom. We settle this one first, okay? Yeah. All line, you're going to flip these two together. Sew with a 1 cm seam allowance. There should be 1 cm unsewn. 1 cm.
Okay.
And leave a 1 cm gap. Okay. Attach the two hems together. We're going to flip this over and pin and then sew 1 cm from one end to the other. But leave a gap, okay? So that that gap will hand sew. Yeah, you can leave a gap at the back or something. Just because at some point you cannot continue sewing. Yeah.